Welcome. In front of me is a TicWatch Pro, obviously as you can see right here, and today I'll go over unboxing and a really quick overview of it. So let's start off by popping it open, and it looks like it's boxed inside of a cardboard. I seriously need a sharper knife. This one barely cuts this anymore. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay, so let's just pop this out of here. Yeah. Oh, come on. Oh, this is one of the tightest fits I have seen. Okay, there we go. Now that it's finally out, let's actually look inside. So, there we go. It looks like the instruction was on the side. So, okay. I believe laying kind of like this. Anyway, I just dropped that to the side, and here we just got some foam padding, as you can see. So nothing really special here. Then obviously the watch itself. There we go. And then inside, obviously, charger, which looks to not be magnetic. It's just like a clip-in, I think. It might be. We'll see it in a second. We also got some, well, anti-moisture beads right here, and instruction, which no one cares about that one. So straight to the side, and let's get a look at this watch itself. So if you're not aware of this watch, it does come with two different displays on it. It's not like the phones where it has, you know, one inside and one outside. It's more of two of them are simultaneously in the same place. Now let's see which one is the power key. So it has an AMOLED display and an LCD, the FSTN LCD, which is basically equivalent to like one of those old watches. If you're like, I don't know, from like 90s or something, 2000s, those were fairly popular, where a lot of them used to have this kind of like just fairly plain display on there with just like this black writing on it. So that's kind of what we get here, along with the AMOLED display. And the reason for it is the LCD, the normal one, will use significantly less battery than the OLED or AMOLED display here. And because of that, the device supposedly will last from like 2 hours to, what is it advertised? 2 hours to 30 days. Or, well, not 2 hours, 2 days to 30 days. And I'll say that we also can see that there's a bunch of other information, IP ratings, so it's 68, so you can basically take showers in it and swim with it. Google Assistant, Google Play with NFC payment, so you can also pay with this device, which is really nice. Heart rate sensor, step tracker, cellular network, so if you pop a SIM card, you can call with this device, although I'm not sure how that would work, or how you pop the card. Well, I'm going to look into this in a second. We have also a speaker, obviously, for the cellular network. We have Wear OS on here, and this device unfortunately comes with a wearable Snapdragon, which is the 2100, and it is not the best one at the moment. So Snapdragon has right now Wear 4100, which will be significantly better than this. It's basically like get a new phone, a new watch with a outdated processor. Now it also has 1 GB built-in RAM, 4 GB built-in storage, and that's probably all of the like super significant things. Now it looks like the device itself is fully dead, so let me just quickly pop it into charging. There we go, clipped it in. So we can automatically look at the charger itself. There we go. Oop. Let's take that off and slap it on the charger. So it is magnetic, as you just seen it literally like magnetically clipped to it. And it's charging. Now it looks like I won't be doing a overview of this outside of like how it looks like. I'll probably have to pair it too, but at the moment it's completely dead, as you can see, so I can't really do anything with it. So anything that I can do is just kind of give you the specifications of it and just talk about it in a way, which I already mentioned with the dual display, which is it's actually key selling point. Because, well, the battery life, as you probably already have experienced, watch battery lives aren't the greatest. The best ones out there are things like the Huawei Watch Fit and things like Xiaomi Mi Bands. Those have outstanding battery lives, but they're limited in its usability because they have their own OS that is designed specifically to use as little battery as it is possible. Now they do basically last 30 days. Sometimes even longer or shorter depending on what you turn on. But this is a Google Wear OS right here. So you get basically everything from Google. It has full functionalities of basically every other like super smartwatch, decent watch itself, with the benefit of having a really good battery life because it will not turn on that OLED display. If you don't actually want it, it will give you time on this kind of like the grayish screen. So yeah, you probably already seen it, so I don't really have anything to show you if you're looking at this device as a review. So as you can see, it's kind of charging and I can't really do anything outside of that. Anything else to mention? It comes with a 450 milliamp hour battery, so not the I would say not the biggest one, but for a watch it is decent. And it also has a Gorilla Glass 3 at the front, and that's about it. So that being said, that is it, and nothing more to say. I haven't really tested it. As you've seen, this was an unboxing and I didn't really have any kind of way to test it right now, so sorry for that. But yeah, this is the watch unboxing. Not much in there outside of the watch and the charger, and that's okay. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.